Hello students, today we'll solve next problem of preparing purchase book. In this problem we have to calculate GST. Okay, see the problem. Enter the following transactions in the purchase book of Pawan Electric Stores, New Delhi, assuming CGST at 6% and SGST at 6%. June 1st, purchase goods from Surya Electric Stores, Chandani Chowk, Delhi, on credit. Invoice number is given and details are given here. Invoice number 480, 40 tube lights at rupees 500 each, 15 table fans at rupees 2000 each, and trade discount is 20%. Okay, this is the entry of credit purchase. Now bought goods from New Light Traders, cannot place New Delhi on credit. Invoice number 2310, and the details are 10 ceiling fans at rupees 3000 each, 20 electric irons at 500 each, trade discount is 10%. On 20th June, now purchase goods from Ravindra Electric Company, Patel Nagar, New Delhi, on credit. Invoice number 1508, 100 dozen bulbs at rupees 600 per dozen, 20 water heaters at rupees 1000 each, and less 25% trade discount. 22nd, on 22nd, bought from Sunny Lamp, Lajpat Nagar, New Delhi, for cash. So as this is the cash transaction, will not enter this transaction in purchase book, because in purchase book we have to enter only credit purchase of goods of that business. Okay, this entry will be made in cash book, but in this problem we will skip this entry because we have to prepare only purchase book in this problem. Okay, now next, bought from Fashion Furniture Company, Chitragupta Road, New Delhi, on credit. 12 chairs at rupees 1500 each and 2 tables at rupees 8000 each. Even though all details are given, we can enter only purchase of goods, credit purchase of goods in this book and not assets. And as in this entry the firm is purchasing furniture, furniture is not goods in this firm because firm is dealing in electric goods. So purchase of furniture, that is the entry of purchase of furniture on 20th June, will not be recorded in this book. So we have to skip this entry also. So we have to enter only entries of June 2nd, June 10th and June 20th. Remaining entries we have to skip. Okay, so let's start now. You have to write this problem in your notebook. Entry of 22nd is cash transaction and entry of 28th is purchase of goods, that is purchase of furniture on credit. So we will skip these two entries from entering into purchase book. So we will now prepare purchase book. So here now we will prepare purchase book of Pawan Electric Stores. See here, आपण आधी जे परचेस बुक तयार केलं होतं ते जरा जास्त सिंपल फॉर्ममध्ये होतं. आता जेव्हा इनपुट CGST इनपुट SGST असतं त्यावेळेला ते प्रॉब्लेममध्ये डिटेल्स दाखवावे लागतात. सो वी हॅव टू फॉलो दिस फॉर्मॅट. सी द कॉलम्स. इन द बुक्स ऑफ पवन इलेक्ट्रिक स्टोर्स न्यू दिल्ली, परचेस बुक और परचेस जर्नल. डेट, particulars means name of the supplier, that is account to be credited. We all know that when we pass the journal entry of purchase, we'll debit purchases account and credit the name of the supplier. Okay, so it is account to be credited. Invoice number if given. LF, details, that is calculations, all the calculations of additions and subtractions. Purchase, original amount of purchase. Input CGST charged, input SGST if there is IGST for interstate transactions, and total amount we will enter here. Okay, so let's start. See the problem. It is on June 2nd 2017. 2nd June. You can write date also here, 2nd June. They have purchased from Surya Electric Stores. So Surya Electric Stores. They will write the details also. Chandani Chowk, Delhi. So Delhi. Okay. Surya Electric Stores. Now the details of purchases are, invoice number is 480. Details are 40 tube lights at rupees 500 each. 40 tubes at rupees, you can write at rupees like this also, rupees 500 each. Okay, so 40 into rupees 500, so 5 fours are 20, so it is 20,000. We will write it in detail column, 20,000. Okay, then 15 table fans at rupees 2,000 each. 2,000 into 15, so it is 30,000. Now we will add these amounts here, 50,000. Now less 20% trade discount. 20% of this is 10,000, so we will deduct 10,000 here, so it is 40,000. Okay, and now they told us that in every entry we have to charge 6% CGST and 6% SGST. So add 6% CGST and 6% SGST, or you can write CGST at 6%, SGST at 6%. Okay, 6% of 40,000 is 2,400, so 2,400, 2,400. So total payable amount is 44,800. Okay, 44,800. Now here we will write the detail. Purchases of 40,000 after deducting trade discount. So 40,000 amount will be in purchases. Now input CGST 2,400, input SGST to 2,400, input IGST dash, and total amount is 44,800 in this way. Okay, so this is the first entry. Understood? Now the entry of June 10th. June 10th. Name of the supplier is New Light Traders, cannot place, New Delhi. Okay, New Light Traders. New Light Traders, cannot place, New Delhi. Purchases of 10 ceiling fans at rupees 3,000 each. 10 ceiling fans at rupees 3,000 each. 10 ceiling fans into rupees 3,000 means 30,000. Now 20 electric irons at rupees 500 each. So 20 electric irons at rupees 500 each. So 500 into 20 rupees, so it is 10,000. Okay, so now let's add. Addition is 40,000. Here 10% discount is given, so less trade discount 10%. Okay, so 10% of this is 4,000, so we have to deduct discount from this, so it is 36,000. Okay, and now we have to add CGST and SGST. SGST. So add CGST at 6%, HGST at 6%. Okay, so 6% of 36,000. 1% is 360 into 6, so it is 2160. Okay, so now we will add it 40,320. Okay, from for this amount, this is the total amount. आपण इथे टोटल असं लिहू पण शकतो आपल्याला कळण्यासाठी. ओरिजिनल amount is 36,000 after deducting trade discount. Purchases of 36,000. Input CGST 2160, input SGST 2160, 0 IGST dash, and total amount is 40,320. Okay, and now next point, that is of June 20. June 20. Ravindra Electric Company. Ravindra Electric Company, and the address is Patel Nagar, New Delhi. Okay, so Ravindra Electric Company, Patel Nagar, New Delhi. This is the party of this transaction. Now the details. 100 dozen bulbs at rupees 600 per dozen. Bulbs at rupees 600 per dozen. Okay, so 100 into 600, it will be 60,000. So I have to continue on other page. I will continue here. I have a small page here. Okay, we'll continue here. ओके, कंटिन्यू करूया खाली आपण. तुम्ही नेक्स्ट पेजवर, दुसऱ्या पेजवर कंटिन्यू करा. तुम्हाला एकत्र कळावं म्हणून मी असं कंटिन्यू करते स्मॉल पेज घेऊन. हे लक्षात ठेवा. 100 डझन बल्ब्स ॲट रुपीज 600 पर डझन, अँड नाव 20 वॉटर हीटर्स. 20 water heaters at rupees 1000 each. So 20 into 1000, it will be 20,000. Okay, 60,000 plus 20,000, it is 80,000, and trade discount is 25%. So less trade discount 25%. 25% of 80,000 is 20,000. So it is 60,000. Okay, and now we have to add SGST and CGST. So add CGST at 6%, SGST at 6%. 6% of 60,000, so it is 3,600. We have to add here 60,000, 3,600, 3,600, so it is 67,200. This is the total amount payable. Okay, and details here: 60,000 purchase, CGST and SGST 3,600 and 3,600, no IGST, and total amount is 67,200. Okay, now आता आपल्याला इथे ॲडिशन करायची आहे सगळ्याची. लास्ट डेट ऑफ जून, दॅट इज 30 जून. सो total on June 30. Okay, total purchase 60,000, 36,000 and 40,000. Okay, it is 1,36,000. Total CGST and SGST 3,600 plus 2,160 plus 2,400, so 8,160. Okay, this is also 8,160, no IGST. And total 67,200 plus 40,320 plus 44,800, total amount is 1,52,320. Okay, in this way we have to make the addition of purchase book. बघा, मी हे असं छोटा कागद घेऊन केलं आहे तुम्हाला कंटिन्युटी समजावी म्हणून. बट उरलेला भाग जो आहे तो तुम्ही पलीकडच्या पेजवर कंटिन्यू करायचा आहे आणि टोटल करायचे, असं तुम्हाला सॉल्व करावं लागेल इन युअर नोटबुक. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हेरी इझी, नॉट ॲट ऑल कॉम्प्लिकेटेड अँड इंटरेस्टिंग. So solve this problem in your notebook and let me know if there is any doubt. Okay, that's all.